Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fitting a catch tank can will reduce the amount of oil vapor reaching the intake tract and combustion chamber. Without the oil vapor, the soot from the EGR valve will not congeal so much on the intake, which will keep the intake from becoming clogged.
Make your mark, take our lead.
An oil separator is nice but not really a necessity on a stock engine. It will filter out a bit of oil sludge, which is nice, and they aren't incredibly expensive. Something like $119 from American Muscle. If you are doing a supercharger or a turbocharger though, then it would be a good idea to have 1.9 May 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.